Hello, will you join me for a walk? It's Friday, September 6th, a beautiful afternoon in Vancouver. And how idyllic is this spot? A hammock, a couple of lovely chairs for a good book, a glass of wine, or perhaps lemonade, or just simply company. And the picket fence leads us over to some of my favorite colors in flowers. What are yours? I love pinks, mauves, creamy whites. This looks like a painting to me. There's so much beauty to enjoy on our walks. There's also traffic, you'll hear that too. What are your favorite colors when it comes to flowers? Flowers or clothes? Because I think often, if you garden, you probably tend to use the same colors you like to use in your wardrobe. And it's unfortunate but understandable. I can appreciate that sometimes people with lovely gardens need or feel compelled to put gracious little signs asking people to not take the fruits of their labor. So let's see what else we've got. Besides dahlias. I love the color of this one too. We're coming up along the same property to some cosmos. Little ones, quite small, but they're hanging in there. Some hostas whose flowers have come and gone. And if you see here, clever fence design or border design. We have a friend who constructs things with pieces of branches and twigs, and he refers to it as twigonometry. So from there, again going along the side of the house, some gorgeous hydrangea. We used to grow Annabelle and others, and I love these colors. You may have seen some this summer with the lovely pink tinge to them. Some sweet peas finishing up their season. More of the lovely hydrangea. Look at these. Such a treat to see. And then a little veggie and herb garden. I see some sage. I'm guessing these are some kind of heirloom tomato. I'm not sure how the color is showing up given the vivid sunlight we have, but these are deep purple, plum-like in color. I'm guessing some zucchini down there. Some sedum or sedum. And this little bed has lots of wasps on it. I don't know about you, but in the summer of 24, I am seeing far more wasps than bees in gardens. But these are such lovely plants, and they take root so easily. in almost any soil. And let's finish up today's walk with a look at these brown-eyed beauties. They are loving the sunshine. So there you go, and thank you for joining me for today's walk. Bye for now.